Following the President's lead, this is indeed a historic first because transparency is not just a value, it is a weapon against corruption. We will allow the participation of watchdogs in all budget deliberations, from committee to the plenary. Hindi lang natin bubuksan ng Kongreso para sa mga mamamayan at magbabantay ng budget. Mapapanood din nila ang lahat ng diskusyon sa telebisyon at sa mga social media platforms. We will strengthen our oversight functions and conduct mid-year performance reviews of all agencies. We heard the President's SONA, and we take to heart his call, his frustration even, about the lingering shadow of corruption in our institutions. As Speaker, I share his concern and I accept his challenge, not with defensiveness but with determination. This is why the House of Representatives will launch a comprehensive congressional review of all infrastructure projects and fund implementation. We will investigate ghost projects, bloated contracts, chronic underspending, and abuse of discretion in fund realignment and procurement. We will propose legislation that requires real-time public reporting of project progress, fund use, mandatory performance standards for contractors and agencies, and a national infrastructure audit framework to prevent the misuse of funds. The House will take the lead in building strong public accountability mechanisms because our good governance is our duty, not our defense.
Speaker, matalino, mabait, at saka talagang magaling na government official. Kaya tama lang na siya manalo. Bobo, putang ina mo ka! Ha? Ginang ina mo!